So when you're performing diagnostics on a vehicle, really speed is a factor, right? The faster you go, the more productive you can be and the more cars you can turn over through the shop. So there's a couple really great things that we can do now in these Snap-on scan tools, with auto ID and code scan and all that good stuff. So let's go walk you through a few of these things and you can see just how fast it is in real time. So on this BMW over here, we're going to go into the scanner, we're going to auto ID it, do a full system code scan, and then clear all the codes that are in there. So I'm going to go into scanner. It's a BMW 2013. Going to auto ID it. Boom, right there. 2013 BMW X3. Okay. Code scan. Engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, AC, etc. It's got a lot of modules on this vehicle, so it's scanning through them as fast as it can. Boom, there we go. 12 systems detected on the vehicle. 16 ABS codes in this thing. A couple different codes in the other ones. So then we can scroll down and see all the different codes that I have in there. Looks like a lot of communication issues. So there's all my codes. So if I back up out of that, one button will clear them all. Once again, cycles through all the different modules on the vehicle. And there we go. All codes are cleared. Not sure how long that took, but it was pretty darn fast. And that'll be a huge time saver in the shop.